I just didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to say to her, how to explain it to her, because the bottom line is, I knew it had crushed her. And when I looked her in her eyes, I saw that she was extremely more crushed than anything.
I'm the mother of this mother.
Can I talk to you for a second? Did you know that she's been with this man for 5 years?
5 years?
Yeah, they share a house together.
Who is she?
That's his girlfriend of 5 years.
I think I could have been a lot more honest about a lot of things because we were going through some strange things. She nicked and nagged about every little thing. And after a while it become tiresome. And then, of course, here comes this young tenderoni. And, showing me things that, I hadn't seen in a minute. But the bottom line, at the end of the day, I missed home. I miss Christina. And we have a child together. So I'm going to definitely have to be in her life. It's just things aren't the same.
You stunning, friend. You don't even know. This bitch don't even know about me and your daughter. You know what? I want no. Get your ass there. What, bitch? Get down, mother. Get down. Bitch, I would dive on your whole ass. Take this mother with you. I don't want him. See, you ain't him. Bitch, don't even know about your mother ass. I don't want him to know about you. I ain't know about him.
My daughter and I's relationship has suffered. I don't get to see her as much. And then when I do come around now, it's a strange relationship. And all I can do is try to make things better. If I were to say something to people who decide to cheat, I would just tell them to evaluate your life. Evaluate the people who are important to you. Focus on them. Because if you use your energy for the people who are important, then there's really no time for people who are not. That's all I would basically say.
Hey everyone, Emeril Lagasse here, and I'm so excited to tell you about my French door Air Fryer 360. This is my biggest air fryer yet. Extra large 26 quart capacity. Cook with up to 70% less calories from fat than deep frying. That's a big deal, my friend. It's all about the Air Crisp technology. 360 degrees of superheated air gives you fast, even cooking. With 24 preset cooking functions, doesn't get any easier, folks. My 10-in-1 French door air fryer 360 grills, air fries, dehydrates, roasts, bakes, broils, proofs, slow cooks, and toasts. I mean, this baby does it all. These French doors are a game changer. I mean, look at how easy that is. One-handed. It's super stylish and super easy to use. Every kitchen needs one of these.
Cook for your entire family in one compact kitchen appliance. Now, find out how you can try Emeril Lagasse's 26-quart French door air fryer 360 with 3 cooking tiers, fetch tool, air frying rack, and drip tray in your home for 30 days for just $14.99. Order now and you'll also get Emeril's Air Fryer Favorites recipe book. And we'll automatically upgrade you to our bonus cooking kit free. You get bonus number 1, the baking pad to broil and bake family-sized meals.